Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine, and if you're new to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe, and at the end if you like my video please hit the like button. So all these formalities aside, and if you're following me on my channel Shade and Shine, then you know I am really in a bad condition. My throat, nose, it was completely blocked, so now a bit better, I am recovering. So during that time I tried one homemade remedy, so I would like to share the same with you all. Trying that remedy has given me lot of relief. I found it really very much useful. It has given me much relief than how I was suffering before. So, and the thing which one I have tried has lot of other benefits, so I thought why not share with you all. So let's check it out. Turn on the gas and put the saucepan with the required amount of water. Here I have taken approx 2.5 cups. Here comes the magic ingredients which one I was talking about. I have taken this medium sized ginger. I'm going to grate this. You can even cut it into smaller slices, but I find grating is much faster than cutting. So in the meantime, let's talk about the benefits of ginger. So here I have taken the most important benefits, the topmost benefits. So the first one, it helps relieve digestive issues. Secondly, it relieves toothaches. Thirdly, it fights colds and flu. Applies to me, for which I am doing this DIY. So fourth, it is for natural anti-inflammation. Fifth, promotes detoxification. Sixth, improve blood circulation. Seventh, it lower blood pressure. Eighth, it relieves menstrual cramps. Ninth, it helps to protect against cancer. 10, it speed up your metabolism. See how much benefit we are getting from ginger. So talking about the benefits, I am done grating this and the water is also about to boil. I am going to put this ginger into the water and let the water come to a boiling point. Also, I'm going to add a pinch of pepper to it. This is optional, you can skip this, but my current condition, seeing my current condition, I want a pinch of pepper to it. So I am going to add this. This is pepper which is grated. This is a powder I have kept in a powder form. So this one I am going to add one pinch to this. The water has come to a boiling point and let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Let it boil for some time. Take honey. You can take any honey, Dabur honey or Patanjali honey. Take 1 tablespoon of it and pour into a cup. So here we have taken 1 tablespoon. Now we are going to take a strainer, and with the help of the strainer we are going to pour this ginger tea into the same cup where we have taken 1 tablespoon of honey. So here we go. Just pour the ginger tea. Ginger really treats sore throat, it treats cold, cough. This is a magical drink. So here our ginger tea is ready. Enjoy, friends.